This is one of the most satisfying resin finishes I have ever unmolded. The texture blooms, the color shift dances, and it looks like a premium piece. It's just vinyl, but let's use it in a different way. Hello guys, welcome to LisinCult Resin Lab, where we turn simple materials into wonderful resin experiments. Today I'm here with another resin adventure, using these holographic vinyl sheets to create beautiful resin coasters like this. And I'm testing two different styles in the same mold, so you can see both results and pick your favorite. Let's jump in. First, we need a black base for holding the vinyl films, and it makes the holographic colors pop. This is my mold with 4 square cavities. I'm working with a medium viscosity resin with a 2:1 mixing ratio, and each cavity is 12 centimeters per side and 2 centimeters deep. But for base layer, we only need about 4 millimeters of thickness. That's about 63 grams per coaster. So for all 4 cavities, we need something about 252 grams of resin mixture. I will add a little black pigment paste and mix until it turns into a smooth, solid black. Okay, spray a light mist of alcohol into the cavities to reduce bubbles. Then pour a thin layer of resin into each cavity, about 4 millimeters thick. Okay, it's done. There are a few ways to attach the holographic vinyl to the black base. You can let the black layer cure, then use glue or even use UV resin. But my favorite method, and the one I'm using today, is letting the black layer do the job for us. Just let it rest until it reaches the sweet spot. It's not runny anymore, but it still feels slightly sticky. That grip holds the vinyl instantly right where you place it. But remember, the timing changes with every resin brand, room temperature, and viscosity. So use this as a guide and test your own resin to find your perfect moment. Okay, while the black bases are resting, let's prepare our holographic film. To get this right, I tested a few vinyl and holographic sheets, and this one behaves exactly the way I want. For this step, you will need a heat gun. Just hit the vinyl piece to shape it, but how you hit it matters. Keep your hands moving. If you stay in one spot, you will melt it. We will want the cell texture, not the full shrink. Let me show you. I'm using a wooden board underneath so it wouldn't overheat or stick, and I hit the shiny side for the stronger colors. Hold one corner so it doesn't fly away, and keep it flat while you heat it. No folding, because if it sticks to itself, it's not. As you can see, the sheet has 2 different sides. The heated side sinks a bit so it looks concave and the color shift can look extra bold. And the other side is more raised and bumpier, basically the convex look. You can use either side. Both styles can look beautiful. It's totally up to you which style you prefer. Today I'm testing 2 looks in the same mold. 2 pieces will cover the black base completely, something like this. and two other are smaller and centered, like this one. So the black base becomes the natural frame. Same technique, totally different vibes. For cutting the full size, I keep it super simple. I pour the thin layer of resin in one cavity, let it cure, and now I use that cure piece as my template. I place it on the holographic film and cut around it. Like this. And for a smaller size, I made a quick cutting guide in the Word, so it's fast and accurate. Done. Easy peasy. Look at it. So reflective. I love the shine. But to save time, I have already cut the rest of the film pieces, 2 for the full coverage and 2 for the frame style. Alright, the holographic films are ready. Let's jump into the next step. Okay, after about 5 hours, my resin has hit the sweet spot. As you can see, the surface is not runny anymore. And when I touch it with a toothpick, it feels still tacky. That's exactly what we want. Now we can place the vinyl pieces on top of the black layer. 2 are for the full coverage and 2 for the frame style. Okay, it's done. Next, we will seal everything with a clear resin. Some artists seal it immediately, but I'm playing it safe. With my resin, I prefer to let the black layer cure fully first. It is still a little soft, and the heat from curing the clear layer could shift the vinyl pieces or slightly warp the base. So once everything is fully cured, we will pour the clear layer to seal all 4 pieces, add depth, and get that glossy glass-like finish. See you then. Okay, the black bases are fully cured and vinyl pieces are locked in, so it's time for clear pour. I have mixed 320 grams of clear resin, about 80 grams per cavity. Now cover them and let them cure completely. See you at the final demold and that glossy reveal. After 24 hours, it's time for the best part, demolding and comparing. As you know, we tested 2 styles in the same mold, 2 full coverage pieces and 2 frame style pieces where the vinyl is smaller, so the black base becomes a natural frame. And if you remember, the heated vinyl had 2 sides. Concave side, the side that sinks, and concave one, the side that stays raised. For this set, I placed the concave side down on the black base. But after demolding, I discovered something interesting. Look at this full coverage one. With the lighter, slightly see-through vinyl, the black base still shows underneath. So any tiny spot that don't fully stick, like here or here, can show up like a bubble-like texture, even with the concave side down. And in the frame style version, you will still see that the same bubble-like through the vinyl, just with the clean black border, like here, or this part. Now this one with the thicker opaque vinyl, the black base doesn't show through, so those lifted spots don't read as bubbles anymore. The sail pattern looks bolder and really stands out. And the frame style with the opaque vinyl, super clean, and the effect really pops. Professionally finished. And because this is an experiment and just be on the safe side, I tested the other side too, and the result stayed the same. Let me show you. Look at this too. Here, the concave side is up. With the see-through vinyl, again we have the bubble look. Look at here and here. And with the opaque vinyl, it gives us that beautiful bold cells without showing the black background. These are my vinyl sheets. One of them is transparent and see-through, and this one is thick and opaque. So there is the real takeaway. Using convex or concave changes the surface texture, but opacity is the boss. The opaquer the vinyl, the bolder and clearer the effect, whichever side is down. And now look at this beautiful color shifting. This one goes from gold green to icy blue when I tilt it. If I can capture it in camera. So nice. And this one starts red, then flips to a fiery orange. So gorgeous. And look, each piece has its own unique hue. Isn't it amazing? Honestly, resin always surprises us out of nowhere. Every time I think I have figured it out, it gives me a new twist, a new depth, a new movement. And that's the magic for me. It's never just a pour, it's an experiment. That's unpredictability is exactly what I keep testing new ideas. As a fast recap, use the right vinyl sheet, thin and heat reactive. Heat it gently and evenly to form the cells. Choose your side, convex or concave, for the surface texture. Check opacity. See-through vinyl shows the black base, more bubble look, and opaque vinyl gives us the bolder cells. Keep these points in mind and you will get clearer, more dramatic results. Alright, that is for today. Creating, experimenting, and discovering new sides of this magical resin. Now I'm curious, which one do you prefer? Full coverage or the frame look? And which vibe do you like more? The bubble look effect or bold popping cells? Tell me in the comments. And if you have tried different type of vinyl, let me know what you use. I would love to test it. Like and subscribe for more unpredictable resin experiments, and grab the free PDF guide with the measurements and materials in the description box. Until the next video, enjoy your journey in the endless resin world.